Hello, in today's video I will be showing you how to patch damaged wallpaper, and this is the wallpaper that has been damaged. As you can see there, it is quite simple to fix actually. So first of all, the tools you'll need is a scraper, skimming tool, sandpaper, brush and skimming plaster and a lick of paint. So first, scrape away any loose plaster wallpaper using a scraper. After you've done that, smooth down by using sandpaper. Once you have prepped the wall, you are now ready to use the plaster. Here I have ready-made all-purpose plaster, or you can use skimming plaster as well. You need to stir it before use and then apply the first layer using a flat plaster tray and a scraper. Unfortunately, I can't find my plaster, so I'm just going to use the scraper to do this. But it will have to do. So what you would do if you had the right tools is pick up the plaster using a scraper, apply it to the flat plaster tray, apply it to the wall using the scraper, and then smooth it out with the plaster tray, which will give you an even smoother, if that makes any sense. Okay, this plaster will take up to 6 hours to dry depending on the room temperature, and as this plaster is quite light, I will be applying another layer after it's completely dry. So I'm going to leave this actually to dry for up to 24 hours. So I'll see you in 24 hours. Yep, so it's completely dry now, and I'm now going to sand it down using a medium grit sandpaper. Brush down. And I'm now going to paint the wall. So I've bought a paint roller set from Amazon that contains 2 large rollers and 2 small rollers and a small paintbrush. I'm going to use that as well for tighter corners. And I also bought white primer cover stain paint by Ziza. I will leave links below for all these products you see here. As you can see there, it will dry in 30 minutes and recoat in 2 hours. Just a warning here, the paint has a powerful odour. It's best to do it in the summer months to allow you to open the windows to get the smell out. The odour did eventually go after 48 hours, and that was with leaving the windows open throughout the day. Okay, I've painted the wall, and I do apologise for not showing you me painting the wall. My battery went dead, so but here's a before and after pics. The wall does need a second coat of paint. This time I will be using emulsion white paint, and I will be painting the next coats, the second coat, after Christmas. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I will be showing you how to get rid of mold on walls. So if you want to see that video, click on the bell to be notified of that video. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, take care. Bye for now.